In this video, I am going to teach you how to add bank in Gusto. In order to add a bank, what you can do is you can scroll down right here to the left sidebar and click on the settings option. Under that, you can see the billing. So click on this plan and billing and then scroll down to the very bottom, and from in there you can find in here this bank accounts. In order to add a bank account, just click onto this button that you can see right here in your screen. Once you have clicked on this, you can see this. So this is the bank account option. So as you can see, the recommended method is to verify and link your checking account by using the third-party integrator, which is Plot. So you can also manually verify your account through test transactions, but this will take 1 to 2 business day, and you may be required to wire funds to your first payroll. So for this, let's click on this verify with Plot. Then input right here your details. You can also continue as guest if you would want. But if you chose that option, you can see in here a different screen that's unusual. Choosing here your institution for your bank, I'll choose Chase Bank and then just use the captcha below to proceed. Once it's been verified, you will be prompted to the Plaid platform and inputted your details right here and continue to log in using your Chase account. So that's how you add bank in Gusto. Hope we helped.